Today, I wanted to talk about a case which has been going on for 2 years. The Manhattan federal judge has decided in favor of the people who got the money. The case pertains to Citibank and Raymond Parliament's Revlon, a cosmetics manufacturer. Cosmetics manufacturer was in serious trouble, has restructured its debt portfolio. Citibank is operating as the loan agent. Somewhere last year, before instead of sending $8 million, they sent $900 million to various asset managers. Out of $900 million, which was an error, a mistake done by Citibank, some asset managers returned the money. Asset managers having $500 million did not return the money, and they refused to return the money because the chances of getting money from Revlon are next to impossible. Citibank challenged this decision of people refusing to return the money, which was transferred by mistake by Citibank, and Citibank took those asset managers to court. The federal judge ruled, strictly going by law, finders are keepers. So if Citibank made the mistake and the money is due to the asset managers can keep it. Thus, Citibank has become the financier of Revlon. How did this happen is what we are going to look at. First, I want you to do three things for me. First, hit the like button of the video and write your comments. Press the subscribe button and persuade your friends and relatives to do the same. Finally, turn on the bell notification so that every video we send to you gets to you. The algorithm needs this. The algorithm does not send you all the videos. So this is necessary. As usual, welcome back to Be Rich. So, Revlon was supposed to pay some asset managers money. Instead of paying interest, Citibank, without any money coming in from Revlon, repaid the entire debt. 400 million worth of money was returned back by asset managers. The 500 million asset managers refused to return it. The case went to court, and the court said if the bank has made a legitimate mistake, then and the money is due to the creditors can keep it. This primarily is the settled law in America. So Citibank is stung and is looking how to get this money back. To add insult to injury, what has happened is that the regulator has fined Citibank $400 million for not keeping their systems in place and for making this error. So the original 900 million loss continues. A new lady CEO is coming to take over in Citibank. But today, the more interesting thing I want to talk about is the Indian connection. The Indian connection, Asim Premji's Wipro Technologies. How is Asim Premji's Wipro involved in this transaction? What does it have to do in a transaction where Citibank and Revlon are fighting each other in court? The answer is simple. In 2008, a subsidiary of Citibank, which was taking care of payment services, was bought by Wipro, and Wipro was running this captive center of supplying back-end services to Citibank. Their relationship has deepened over a period of time. There have been several cases of Indian BPOs being involved in scamming of American clients. But here is a biggie. Citibank is a very valuable client, and BFSI is the mainstay of all IT majors in India. BFSI is banking, financial services, and insurance, which gives most of the back-end IT jobs in India. Such a big error would affect India's credibility. So, what happened? The policy in Citibank is that 6 eyes have to see any high power transaction and approve it. That is, if money is being transferred in a high value from the bank on the instruction of the client to another group of people, then 6 eyes, that is 3 people, have to clear this transaction. So, in this case, out of the 4 eyes, 2 people were in Bangalore, India. They initiated the transaction and okayed it. And finally, it went to America for approval, where another pair of eyes saw it and okayed it. Thus, if any stage, either at the first 4 eyes or at the final stage, if they had found this error, this transfer could have been stopped. Unfortunately, None of these three people saw it on time, and the money transfer was affected, and Citibank lost a lot of money. Not only that, it had to pay a hefty fine to the regulator and spend billions of dollars in beefing up the system. So, the fallibility of an Indian software giant resulted in a $900 million loss for this company. I'm sure there will be a lot of insurance policies which protect Wipro against any direct claim from Citi. But if Citibank loses confidence in the Indian back office setup and starts to scale back, then it is bad news for the entire industry, as millions of young people are employed in the BFSI sector, providing the back office support to clients all over the world. This kind of oversight could have happened anywhere. What really failed is the control systems of Citibank, and this is the connection with Wipro. If this had happened in the United States instead of India, not many people would have talked about it. But since it happened in India, and using Indian software engineers is a big pain point, there will be a lot of chatter in important places in America that Indian BPO guys are not doing a job. But this is not the case. This kind of error could have happened anywhere. And out of the 6 eyes, 2 eyes in this case were still in the United States and could have watched it. Thank you for watching. Be rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification. உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது கமெண்ட்ஸ் இருந்தால் டெஃபினட்டாக கமெண்ட்ஸ் போடுங்க. நீங்கள் மோர் கமெண்ட் போட தான் நான் எது மாதிரி கண்டென்ட் கொடுக்கணும்னு எனக்கு தெரியும். நன்றி, வணக்கம். என்னோடய 2 புக்கு இங்கிலீஷில் இன்னும் அவைலபிளாக இருக்குது. இங்கிலீஷ் புக் அவைலபிள் ஆகணுன்னா கீழே இருக்கிற வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பருக்கு மெசேஜ் அனுப்புங்க. எங்கள் டீம் உங்களை கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. தமிழ் புக்கு வேணுங்கிறவங்களும் வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பருக்கு மெசேஜ் அனுப்பிச்சிங்கன்னா எங்கள் டீம் உங்களை கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. எங்கள்கிட்ட 2 இங்கிலீஷ் புக்கும் ஒரு தமிழ் புக்கும் இருக்குது. டைரெக்டாக என்னை கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணணுன்னு நினைக்கிறவங்க moneypage@gmail.comக்கு மெயில் அனுப்பவும்.